Welcome to Daily Conversation Practice, the best channel to learn English. 20 minutes of slow English conversations.
Greetings. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Alex.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from USA.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Are you busy?
No, I'm free now.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.
See you later.
See you.
At school. What is your favorite subject?
English.
Do you have homework?
Yes, I do.
Where is the classroom?
It's upstairs.
Who is your teacher?
Mr. Brown.
Are you ready for the test?
Yes, I am.
Can I borrow your pen?
Sure.
What time does school start?
At 8 a.m.
Is this your book?
Yes, it is.
Do you like English?
Yes, I love it.
May I come in?
Yes, please.
Home conversation.
Are you home?
Yes, I am.
Where is Mom?
She's in the kitchen.
Are you hungry?
Yes, a little.
What's for dinner?
Rice and chicken.
Can you help me?
Sure.
Is the door locked?
Yes, it is.
Where are my keys?
On the table.
Are you busy?
Not now.
Did you clean your room?
Yes, I did.
Everyday English. What day is it today?
Today is Friday.
What's the weather like?
It's sunny today.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Are you busy now?
No, I'm free.
Speaking skills. Why do you learn English?
I want to speak English fluently.
How do you improve your speaking?
I practice every day.
Do you speak English with friends?
Yes, whenever I can.
Are you confident in speaking English?
I'm becoming more confident every day.
What is the best way to learn English?
Daily practice is the best way.
School and study. What is your favorite subject?
English is my favorite subject.
Do you study every day?
Yes, I do.
Who is your English teacher?
Mr. Khan is my teacher.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I love reading.
Why do you study English?
Because it helps my future. At the office. Are you working today?
Yes, I am.
What time do you start work?
At 9 a.m.
Do you have a meeting?
Yes.
Can you send the email?
Sure.
Where is the manager?
In his office.
Are you busy?
A little.
Do you need help?
Yes, please.
Have you finished the report?
Not yet.
Can we talk later?
Of course.
See you tomorrow.
See you. Job interview. What is your name?
My name is David.
Where are you from?
I'm from USA.
Why do you want this job?
I want to grow my career.
What are your strengths?
I am hardworking and honest.
Can you work under pressure?
Yes, I can.
Restaurant. May I see the menu?
Sure. Here you are.
What would you like to eat?
I'd like fried rice and chicken.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I'd like orange juice.
Is the food spicy?
No, it's not very spicy.
Can I have the bill, please?
Certainly.
Travel. Where are you going?
I'm going to Canada.
How will you travel?
I'll travel by bus.
Have you booked your ticket?
Yes, I have.
What time does the train leave?
It leaves at 8 a.m.
How long is the journey?
It takes about 4 hours.
Asking for directions. Excuse me. Can you help me, please?
Yes, of course. Where would you like to go?
I am looking for the City Museum.
The City Museum is not far from here.
Can you tell me the way?
Yes. Go straight down this street first.
What will I see first?
You will see a bank on your right.
What should I do after the bank?
Turn left after the bank.
How far should I walk?
Walk for 2 blocks.
What do I do at the traffic light?
Cross the street at the traffic light.
Where will the museum be?
It will be in front of you.
Is it a big building?
Yes, it is large and white.
Are there any landmarks nearby?
Yes. There is a small cafe next to it.
What time does the museum close?
I think it closes at 6.
Are you visiting the city?
Yes, I arrived here yesterday.
Are people friendly here?
Yes. Everyone is very kind here.
How can I learn the area better?
Asking people is a good way.
Thank you very much for your help.
You are welcome. Enjoy the museum. Shopping. How much is this?
It's $10.
Can I help you?
I'm just looking.
Do you have this in blue?
Yes, we do.
Can I try it on?
Yes.
Where is the cashier?
Over there.
Do you take cards?
Yes.
Is this on sale?
Yes, it is.
Can I get a discount?
Sorry, no.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Welcome to Daily Conversation Practice, the best channel to learn English.